Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you top 3 techniques and tips how to find opportunity to make money in sales. अगर आप इस वीडियो की जो प्रैक्टिकल जो मैं डीप आपको बताने वाला हूँ, अगर आप इसको समझ के इस्तेमाल कर लेंगे तो आप एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी निकाल पाएंगे सेल्स में जहाँ पे यू विल हैव द पोटेंशियल टू मेक मनी एंड यू कैन मोनेटाइज एंड इन कैश मनी इमीडिएटली. सो द फर्स्ट टिप, जब भी आप किसी पर्सन से मिलते हैं, किसी प्रॉस्पेक्ट से मिलते हैं, तो ऑलवेज कीप दिस इन माइंड, लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. हमेशा दिमाग में बात रखें कि या तो वो पर्सन खुद पोटेंशियल वाले हैं हु कैन बाय अ बिग बिजनेस फ्रॉम यू, हु कैन बाय अ मिलियंस ऑफ रुपीज़ प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज, या तो खुद खरीद सकते हैं या तो उस पर्सन के पास वो पोटेंशियल है दैट ही और सी कैन कनेक्ट यू विद समबडी who can buy millions of rupees your product and services. What happened with most people, most sales people, they just go to people, they meet them, and they don't understand that the person can connect you with somebody who can change your fortune and sales. That's the first lesson. Second lesson, that when you are dealing with people, then don't get frustrated easily. You know why? Because people are so much stuck in their own life. They are too much caught up with their own things. So if you stop pursuing people after one call, two phone call, they are not picking you, they are not responding you, and you think they will not buy from you, that's not true. Understand the difference between chasing people and persuading people. अगर आप चेज करोगे दे विल नॉट बाय फ्रॉम यू, बट परसुएशन मीन्स आपको उनके टॉप ऑफ द माइंड में रहना है. दैट्स कॉल्ड अट्रैक्शन मार्केटिंग. इन दिस डिसरप्टिव टाइम अगर आप लोगों के टॉप ऑफ द माइंड में नहीं हो, देन दे विल फॉरगेट यू. So how do you stay on people top of the mind? The first rule, don't give up on people. Second rule, don't chase them, persuade them. And third rule, use the email marketing system and create content to stay on people top of the mind. If you want to know how to use email marketing system, after watching this video, click on this resource. You will understand it's a free of cost. So the first lesson, always meet with people in this mindset. They can buy 1 million rupees or they can connect you with somebody. Second principle, don't give up on people easily. And third rule is very powerful rule if you want to monetize money in sales and find the opportunity, and that is when anybody say no to you, then don't take it personally, because people are not saying no to you, they are saying no to your proposal, and they are saying no today, but tomorrow they can say yes to you. But what happened if anybody say no to you? Most people take it on their ego. अरे इसने मुझे नो बोल दिया. Don't do that. You know what? You're not Dalai Lama. You're not Nelson Mandela. You're not Pradhan Mantri. You're not a big superstar. Or even you are a big superstar. Who cares? People are people. They have the right to say no. They have right to say yes to you. So don't take it ego. अगर आपकी ego इतनी strong है, stop doing business. Sit down at home. You can feed your ego or you can feed your dream. That's it. So don't take it personally. They are saying no to your proposal. They are not saying no to you. So if you found this video useful, click on the link and use the email marketing for free. And if you want to know more how your sales can grow, you can connect me. And my sales system is tried and tested. It's a world class. You can understand how it works if you just get one-to-one with me. So I just finished my exercise, so I'm in the right mood. So that's why I thought let me record some video for you. Thank you very much. Take care. All the best.